The new Suzuki Swift has been launched in Thailand. Like the previous generation Swift that we're familiar with, the 2018 Swift is an eco car in the kingdom, which means that it's powered by a 1.2-liter engine and is affordably priced. The K12M dual-jet engine makes 83 PS and 103 Nm of torque at 4,400 RPM. The MPI engine with auto start-stop is E20 compatible and is mated to a CVT automatic gearbox. There's no base manual option. But the new Swift is a Phase 2 eco car that meets the more stringent 23 km/L fuel economy and 100 g/km CO2 emissions requirement. The previous model was a Phase 1 eco car that had to meet 20 km/L and 120 g/km levels. The Swift is a featherweight B-segment hatchback, weighing in at 875 to 910 kilograms. In Thailand, the Swift will take on fellow eco-car hatchbacks like the Mazda 2, Mitsubishi Mirage, Nissan March and market-leading Toyota Yaris. 4 trim levels are available: GA, GL, GLX, GLX Navi priced from 499,000 baht, RM 61,762, to 629,000 baht, RM 77,836. The 609,000 baht, RM 75,373, GLX is more like it, with things such as leather-wrapped telescopic steering, steering audio buttons, cruise control, keyless entry and push start, auto air-con, 6 speakers, meter LCD panel, fog lamps, LED DRLs, and projector LED headlamps as standard, among other goodies. The GLX wears 16-inch alloys, an inch larger, and a sportier exterior with a red line on the grille. Going all the way to the GLX Navi will net one a 7-inch touchscreen head unit with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and mirror link.